Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up two-factor authentication on the Gate.io crypto trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Gate.io application on your device, and after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the homepage. Now, in order to set up two-factor authentication, click on the profile icon at the top left corner and then tap on the arrow icon alongside your username. Now, once you are inside the user center page, just tap on security and you will now see the two-factor authentication option. Go ahead and click on it and then tap on enable now. You will now be taken into the Google Authenticator page. If you don't already have the Google Authenticator app, then you will need to download it first. Just copy the setup key that is given to you and you can paste it within the Your Key section. For the code name, you can simply use Gate.io. Finally, tap on the Add button. And now, the Gate.io authentication will be added to your Google Authenticator app. Just tap on the 6-digit PIN that you see, and then go back to the Gate.io application. Just paste the code from the Google Authenticator app, and then press the Send button within the Input Email Code section. Then quickly check your inbox, and you will find your verification code as well. After entering both the code, tap on Enable Google Authenticator. And now, the two-factor authenticator has successfully been enabled within your account. After this, anytime you log in or make a transaction, you will need to make an authentication from the Google Authenticator app. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable two-factor authentication on the Gate.io application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.